Hi guys, this is my second video on maths tips, how to use calculator. Today we'll be speaking about this button, the factorize button. I'm glad that I had an expression ready for you guys. They use this expression to test your knowledge in terms of laws of exponents. You see guys, so these questions, they are just easy, simple. You see guys, so in this question, the first method you should use is to make all your digit prime numbers. You see, like for instance, you have your calculator. You see, since we know that 24 is not a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 24 is not a prime number. That's our problem. So if we solve that problem, everything is set. Like for instance, we spoke about the factorize button. So if we want to factorize 24, we're going to say 24 is equal to, then since you want to press the yellow button, factorize is on the yellow button, we're going to press shift. But if you wanted to press pink, we're going to press alpha. Now let us say shift factorize. You see, your calculator has factorized 24 into 2 to the power 3 times 3. You see, then you can just go and write that thing on the brackets, inside the brackets, multiplied by 3, all to the power x plus 3 all over. So guys, here if you see, we're having two terms. How do we divide a term? A term is divided by a plus or a minus sign. This is a single term just because multiplication doesn't divide a term. You see, multiplication doesn't divide a term. So a term is divided by a plus sign to make them a binomial, trinomial. You see all those polynomials, you see. So here we're having a binomial. So what is it that is present on the left hand side and also on the right hand side? It's 3x, guys. It's 3x. So if we take that out as our common factor, oh, I forgot that. So we're going to say 3x, then it will be 2 plus 1. It's 1, guys, isn't it? Okay, so now we should work out this thing using law number 3. I guess it says a raised to the power n is the same as a to the power of n times m. Same applies. It's going to be 2 to the power 3 times x. You see, so it's going to be 2 to the power 3 times x, which will be 3x, 2x. Then we'll be having 3x, then I'll be having plus 3x all over 3x to the power 3x, 2 to the power 3x plus 1. So guys, these questions, they just flow automatically. These questions were done prior, before they were even tested. You see, they were done so that they are satisfied. When you are passing this step, the following step will be automatically simple. You see, so if you can see from here, we're still having a common factors because we're having two terms and we're having 3x both sides. So let us factorize. So we're having 3x into to the power 3x plus 1 all over the power 3x 2 plus 1. You see, guys? So from there, guys, if you see that we're having 3x on top, we're having 3x on the bottom. So what do? We cancel. Let me grab my pencil. Back in high school, guys, I was told that I shouldn't cancel with a pen. I should cancel with a pencil. Cancel with a pencil. Then we'll be left with 1 over 1, which is 1. That's how simple it is using your calculator.